In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Elementor header sticky. A sticky header is the navigation bar that stays visible at the top of the page as users scroll, so key links and your logo are always within reach. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference in usability and keeps your brand front and center. First, head to your WordPress dashboard. This is your home base for managing the site. Make sure you're logged in with the right permissions to edit templates. From here, you'll open your header using the Turbo H&F Builder. This is the section where your header and footer templates live, and it's where we'll make the change. If you're using multiple headers, be sure you open the one that's actually assigned to show on the pages you care about. Inside Turbo H&F Builder, go to Header Templates, find the header you want to adjust and open it. Next, click Edit Conditions. This is important because the conditions control where the header appears, like the entire site or specific pages. If you've set up multiple headers for different sections of your site, double-check that this one is the active header for the locations you want. Confirming the right conditions now prevents confusion later when you test the sticky behavior. With that confirmed, look for the header style area. This is where global styling and behavior options for your header live. Find the setting labeled Make Header Sticky and turn it on. This tells the site to keep the header fixed at the top while the rest of the page scrolls beneath it. If your header has a transparent background or overlaps content, remember that a sticky header sits above everything else, so a solid background color often helps with readability. You don't need to change designs right now, just keep that in mind when you preview. Finally, click Update to save your changes. Saving is crucial. Without it, the sticky setting won't apply on the front end. After updating, visit your site in a new tab, scroll down a long page, and watch that header remain in place. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page. On mobile, take a quick look as well to ensure the sticky header doesn't cover important content at the top of the screen. That's it. You navigated the dashboard, opened your header in Turbo H&F Builder, checked the conditions, enabled Make Header Sticky under Header Style, and updated your template. Enjoy the smoother navigation and a more polished user experience.